The semiconductor industry is on fire. It's experiencing unprecedented growth and innovation, driving the technology that powers our modern lives. Everyone's talking about chips, chips, chips. These tiny components are at the heart of every electronic device we use daily. These tiny powerhouses are the brains behind our digital world. They process information, store data, and enable the functionality of countless gadgets. From smartphones to self-driving cars, chips are everywhere. They are the unsung heroes making our devices smarter, faster, and more efficient. Two companies stand out in this booming market, Micron and AMD. Both have carved out significant niches and are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Both are attracting a lot of investor interest. Their stocks are closely watched, and their performance can signal broader trends in the tech industry. But which one is the better buy right now? Investors are keen to know which company offers the best potential for growth and returns. Let's dive in and find out. We'll examine their market positions, financial health, and future prospects to give you a clearer picture. Micron and AMD operate in different segments of the semiconductor market. Each has its own unique strengths and challenges. Micron is a leader in memory chips. These chips are essential for storing data in computers, smartphones, and other devices. AMD focuses on processors and graphics processing units, or GPUs. Their products are crucial for computing power and high-performance graphics. Both companies have their own strengths, weaknesses, and future prospects. Micron's expertise in memory technology and AMD's prowess in processing power make them formidable players. Understanding these is crucial for making smart investment decisions. Investors need to consider market trends, company performance, and technological advancements, so buckle up, because we're about to break down the chip giants and see which one comes out on top. We'll explore their innovations, market strategies, and what the future holds for each. Micron is a major player in the memory chip market. They specialize in DRAM and NAND flash memory. These are essential components for computers, smartphones, and data centers. Demand for memory is skyrocketing. The rise of artificial intelligence, or AI, and cloud computing is fueling this growth. Micron benefits from this trend. But there's a catch. The memory chip market is notoriously cyclical. Prices can fluctuate wildly. This volatility can impact Micron's profitability. Investors need to be aware of this risk. Micron's future success depends on navigating these challenges. They need to maintain their technological edge. They also need to manage the ups and downs of the memory chip cycle. It's a tough game, but Micron has a proven track record. AMD is a fierce competitor in the CPU and GPU market. They go head-to-head with giants like Intel and Nvidia. AMD's Ryzen CPUs have gained significant traction. Their Radeon GPUs are popular among gamers and professionals. The company is also riding the AI wave. AMD's strength lies in its focus on high-performance computing. They are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. AMD has also diversified its customer base. They supply chips for gaming consoles, data centers, and personal computers. This diversification helps mitigate risk. However, AMD faces intense competition. This puts pressure on profit margins. The company needs to constantly innovate to stay ahead of the curve. It's a high-stakes race, and AMD needs to be firing on all cylinders. AI and cloud computing are transforming the tech landscape. These technologies are driving unprecedented demand for computing power. This is great news for chipmakers like Micron and AMD. AI algorithms require massive amounts of data and processing power. This translates into a surge in demand for memory chips and GPUs. Cloud computing relies heavily on data centers. These data centers are hungry for high-performance CPUs and GPUs. Both Micron and AMD are well-positioned to capitalize on these trends. The AI and cloud revolution is still in its early stages. This represents a significant growth opportunity for both companies. The question is, who will be the bigger winner? The memory chip market is a roller coaster ride. Prices go up, prices go down. This cyclicality is a major challenge for Micron. When demand is high, Micron can generate impressive profits, but when demand wanes, prices can plummet. This volatility makes Micron a riskier investment. Investors need to have a strong stomach for potential ups and downs. However, it also creates opportunities. Savvy investors can buy Micron shares when prices are low and ride the wave when demand picks up. Understanding the cyclical nature of the memory chip market is crucial for making informed investment decisions about Micron. The competition conundrum: can AMD outmaneuver giants? AMD operates in a highly competitive market. They face formidable opponents like Intel and Nvidia. These companies have vast resources and established market dominance. AMD needs to be on top of its game to compete. This competition puts pressure on profit margins. AMD needs to constantly innovate and offer compelling products at competitive prices. They also need to win over customers from their rivals. It's a David versus Goliath battle. However, AMD has proven that it can punch above its weight. Their Ryzen CPUs and Radeon GPUs have gained significant market share. AMD's ability to continue innovating and gaining market share will determine its long-term success. Value or growth? Finding your fit with Micron. Micron Technology is a key player in the semiconductor industry, known for its innovative memory and storage solutions. But how do you determine if it's the right investment for you? Micron is often seen as a value play in the semiconductor industry. This means that many investors view it as a stock that is currently undervalued compared to its intrinsic worth. Its stock price can fluctuate significantly. This volatility can be attributed to various factors, including market demand for memory chips, global economic conditions, and technological advancements. This makes it attractive to investors looking for bargains. When the market undervalues Micron, savvy investors see an opportunity to buy shares at a lower price, hoping for future appreciation. When memory chip prices are low, Micron's stock can trade at a discount to its intrinsic value. This is because the company's revenue and profitability are closely tied to the prices of these chips. However, Micron is also a cyclical company. This means its performance can vary significantly depending on the phase of the economic cycle. During downturns, demand for memory chips may decrease, impacting Micron's financial results. Investors need to be prepared for potential volatility. The semiconductor market is known for its rapid changes, and Micron's stock can be quite sensitive to these fluctuations. If you're risk-averse, Micron might not be the best fit. The stock's inherent volatility can be unsettling for those who prefer stable and predictable investments. But if you're willing to ride out the ups and downs, Micron could offer significant upside potential. Investors who can tolerate short-term fluctuations may be rewarded with substantial long-term gains. Micron is a company with a solid track record and a strong position in a growing market. Its continuous innovation and strategic investments in new technologies position it well for future growth. It's a potential value play for investors who understand the risks involved. By carefully analyzing market trends and Micron's financial health, you can make an informed decision about whether this stock fits your investment strategy. Riding the rocket: AMD's potential for explosive gains. AMD is a growth-oriented company. They are focused on gaining market share and expanding into new markets. This strategy has the potential to generate significant returns for investors. AMD's Ryzen CPUs and Radeon GPUs have been major growth drivers. The company's focus on high-performance computing and AI positions it well for future growth. AMD is also expanding into new markets like data centers and gaming consoles. This diversification helps reduce risk and creates new revenue streams. However, AMD's growth potential comes with risks. Competition is fierce, and profit margins can be thin. Investors need to be comfortable with a higher level of risk to participate in AMD's potential upside. The verdict: which chip will make you richer? So, which chipmaker is the better buy, Micron or AMD? This is a question that many investors are asking as they look to capitalize on the booming tech industry. The answer, as always, is, it depends. It depends on various factors including market conditions, company performance, and your personal investment strategy. Both companies have their own strengths and risks. Micron and AMD operate in different segments of the semiconductor market, each with unique opportunities and challenges. Micron is a value play with cyclical risks. The company is known for its memory and storage solutions, which are essential in a wide range of electronic devices. AMD is a growth play with competitive risks. AMD has made significant strides in the CPU and GPU markets, competing fiercely with giants like Intel and Nvidia. Micron could be a good choice for value investors with a higher risk tolerance. Its stock tends to be more volatile due to the cyclical nature of the memory market. AMD might be more suitable for growth investors who are comfortable with volatility. The company has shown impressive growth in recent years, driven by its innovative products and strategic partnerships. Ultimately, the best choice for you depends on your individual investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Are you looking for steady returns, or are you willing to take on more risk for potentially higher rewards? Do your research, understand the companies, and make an informed decision. Look at their financial statements, market position, and future growth prospects. And remember, in the world of investing, there are no guaranteed winners. The market can be unpredictable, and it's important to stay informed and adaptable. Good luck, and may the best chip win. Whether you choose Micron or AMD, make sure it aligns with your investment strategy and financial goals.